Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you Simplified AI Presentation. Simplified AI Presentation Maker is a tool that makes creating presentations easy. Just type your topic and you'll get a presentation with great content and design. It's like having a team of designers ready to help you anytime. First things first, let's start by navigating to the Simplified website. Then let's just click the Generate with AI. Then let's go to AI Presentation. Then let's put the topic that we wanted to create a presentation. Let's just stay in 16 by 9 size. Then Default Settings. Then set the creativity level in Creative. Then click Next. Then let's simply click the Skip and Generate at the bottom right. After generating, it will bring us here, and we can see the title of the topic that we type. Now, let's check what's in the left side. First, the My Assets tab where we can drop some assets from our file or connect Google Drive, and also for mobile where we can just scan the QR. Then we can choose any templates provided by Simplified AI. Also, it's already filtered by any topics. For example, for social media, fashion and style, and many more, or we can just search it here. The next tab is Text, where we can add heading text, subheading, body, and photo text. They also have a lot of templates for text like for menu, typography, quotes type, and many more. Next is the Media tab, where we can upload any photos, videos, and even GIF. We can search it from Google Drive, Unsplash, Pixabay, and even Pexels. Now let's try Pexels. Let's replace the picture on what's on the background. First, we need to delete the background picture that is already on the screen, then select the picture that we search on, then just click the fill at the upper part of the screen and click Set as Background. Now, let's try to use the AI image generator of the Simplified. Let's just type the details of the image. Also, we can improve prompt with AI by clicking the magic icon in the text box. Also, we can select style, whether oil painting, neon punk, and many more. Let's go to Advanced Options, where we can choose the AI model, number of generations, and the ratio of the image. We can also describe what we don't want to include in the picture. Lastly, we can also upload a reference photos. After that, let's click the Generate button and let AI to generate it. Next is the Visuals, where we can insert in icons and collections to add more entertainment in the presentation. We can also draw something in the presentations. And the last tab is the AI Apps, which contains AI Image Generator, which is already in the Media tabs. They also have the Image to Video, Scribble to Art, SVG Wave Generator, and many more. Let's try the Restore Photo feature. Then let's click the Restore Photo button. And here's the results. Now, let's go to the upper part. First, let's go to Animate button, and let's just pick one of its presets made by Simplified AI. And beside of it is the color palette, where we can choose the color of our own. Then let's go to the uppermost part. First is where we can add a comments. Next is the Ask AI button, where it contains Generate AI images, templates, images. We already tackle all of the features that can be seen here in Ask AI. Let's review the slides that made by Simplified. And there we have it, a quick guide on how to do a presentation using Simplified AI. Simplified AI Presentation Maker is a tool that makes creating presentations easy. Start using Simplified AI Presentation with the link below and discover more AI secrets at aiforcehub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels, and let's continue to shape the future together.